Hello everyone, welcome to another day in the life video. Day in the life seems to be your guys' favorite type of video, so here I am doing another one for you. It is late morning already, so today, so far, I just tidied the place and I've worked on one of my essays. I am in a course, a plants and people course, which is super fun, and I'm doing an essay about corn and how GMO corn is affecting the environment locally and globally. So, yeah, it's been an interesting one. I'm close to being done. So, I thought I would have you guys join me for the rest of my day. I think I will probably be going on a little walk. I've been trying to get outside every single day now that the weather is a bit nicer. So I am either biking to work or doing what I call a mandatory 20-minute walk every single day. I think I am about to head out on my mandatory 20-minute walk. So I will see you guys there.
Think about me one more time before you go. Someday you'll know. Someday you'll know. Already know what I'm going to say. I've been feeling this way for far too long. And now you're gone. Took me away from all of my fears. Kept me away from all of my tears. Now you're gone. And now I'm lost. Finally, I think I can see clearly now. I'm in love. Think about me one more time before you go. I'm in love. Took me away from all of my fears. I'm in love. Kept me away from all of my tears. I'm in love.
This is my favorite house. It's so beautiful. Just get a glimpse of it through the trees. I don't know if you can tell, but these people have chickens. I love them so much.
I was lost in the woods, under dust, and the fairies found me. And they led the way, they cleared the way to my heart. All the hurt, all the pain under the skin, I had fainted. And they carried me, they cleared the way to my heart.
That was such a windy yet refreshing walk. I love walks so much. They are just the number one thing to make me feel better when my mental health is low or when I'm feeling a little bit down. Always the answer for me is going on a walk. So if you're trying to find something that's like a surefire pick-me-up, try out just going for a walk in ideally nature, but around your neighborhood is great too, and trust me, it will make you feel so much better. My plans for the rest of the afternoon are just to finish up my essay. I want to finish that today, and then also probably film a read with me. The lighting has been going crazy today because of the wind, so I might have to bring out my light, but I think we can still come up with something nice. Example of crazy lighting.
I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so.
My assignment is done. I am so happy. I think I did pretty well. Like I said, it was mostly about genetically modified corn and the impact on agriculture and the environment. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with it. I am going to just send it off and get that done. If you are a student, you know this is the best feeling ever. This day has gone by so fast. I cannot believe it. It is almost 5 o'clock. My boyfriend should be off work in about an hour and a half or so, and it takes him about half an hour to get home. So I have about 2 hours until he's home. I am on cooking duty tonight. I think I will be making some enchiladas. But I think for the rest of the day, I might film one little read with me, and I'm gonna spend the evening relaxing. Here is just a little sneak peek of my next video. I love my bathroom. Yes, it involved a bath and a book. Alright, so I think I'm gonna end this day in the life here. It was definitely a quiet one. Yeah, I feel like, I guess, not much exciting happened, but it was pretty realistic. I filmed videos, I studied, I cleaned the house. That's kind of what my Sundays are. And to be honest, it's kind of nice. It's good to have a slow day for sure. So if you want to follow me in more videos just like this, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye everyone.